Hello y'all, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and close your Instagram account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, what you gotta do first is simply gonna go ahead and access our Instagram app right there. Open it up, you will find this kind of interface over here. Then afterwards what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon given on below right corner and tap on this 3 horizontal line on top, and now go ahead, tap on this option called settings and privacy. And here in this section as well you will find this option called account center on top, made by Meta. Go ahead, tap on it, and this will show you the profiles that you have. You can go ahead, tap on it, the check and both profiles of your Facebook and Insta. Now go back and tap on this option called personal details in the account settings section, and now go ahead, tap on this account ownership and control option, which will be given below, and tap on this deactivation or deletion option. Go ahead, choose your Instagram account, tap on this delete account option, tap on this continue. Now choose a particular reason for your account and go ahead, tap on this continue, and enter the password that you have created while creating your Instagram account itself. Go ahead, confirm it again, and you will be able to delete your Instagram account like that. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.